Automatic fabric cutting machine cuts fabric layers as per command given in computer system. Automatic cutting machine is also known as CNC machine. In the automatic cutting room, fabrics are spread on the table by auto spreader and the lay is positioned in the cutting table prior to automatic cutting. CNC Fabric Cutting Machine utilizes advanced computer numerical control (CNC) technology to ensure precise and accurate cutting. The machine can follow intricate cutting patterns with high precision, resulting in clean and accurate cuts every time. How does an automatic cutting machine work? The machine uses a strong vacuum pump controlled by the inverters, allows the machine to reach the desired vacuum level for stronger suction of fabric and can cut with high precision from top to bottom. Advantages of automatic cutting machine? Choosing an automatic fabric cutting system means extreme precision as well as speed and efficiency. This type of cutting system makes it possible to speed up cutting, even particularly difficult materials, and reducing times while increasing production volumes.